Welcome to this guide on how to use onboard credit on Carnival cruises. Onboard credit is a type of credit that can be used to pay for various expenses while on the ship, and it can be a great way to enhance your cruise experience. First, it is essential to understand how to check your onboard credit balance. You can do this by logging into your Carnival cruise account online or by visiting the guest services desk on the ship. Once you know your balance, you can start using your onboard credit to pay for various expenses. One of the most popular ways to use onboard credit is to purchase drinks. Carnival offers a wide range of drinks, including cocktails, wine, and beer, and you can use your onboard credit to pay for these at any bar on the ship. Another way to use your onboard credit is to book shore excursions. Carnival offers a wide range of shore excursions, including snorkeling trips, city tours, and cultural experiences, and you can use your onboard credit to pay for these. You can also use your onboard credit to pay for specialty dining experiences. Carnival offers a range of specialty restaurants, including steakhouses and seafood restaurants, and you can use your onboard credit to pay for meals at these restaurants. In addition to these expenses, you can also use your onboard credit to pay for spa treatments, internet packages, and other onboard expenses. It is essential to note that onboard credit cannot be used to pay for gratuities or taxes, so you will need to budget for these expenses separately. To get the most out of your onboard credit, it is a good idea to plan ahead and budget for your expenses. Consider what you want to do and see on your cruise, and allocate your onboard credit accordingly. You can also use your onboard credit to try new experiences, such as a wine tasting or a cooking class. Overall, onboard credit can be a great way to enhance your Carnival cruise experience. And by understanding how to use it, you can make the most of your time on the ship. By following these tips and planning ahead, you can use your onboard credit to create a memorable and enjoyable cruise experience.